Yourself. Welcome to episode number 193 of the ACE podcast, sponsored by BecomingOurBestDaily.com, where you go to make your life better, faster. And as you know, all things on the ACE podcast are focused on helping us be the best version of ourselves daily. In this episode, we're talking about yourself. In short, see yourself through God's point of view. This is powerful. See, with the God point of view, you can see what you want, what others want, and witness how your actions affect them. The God point of view has you take them all into consideration at the same time without judgment or criticism. So you get to face the truth of what you want, your self-defeating beliefs, and make adjustments to achieve your goal. So in summary, get clear on what you want in your behaviors. Tune in to perceive what others want in their behaviors. Be like a fly on the wall and see how you and others interact. And then tap into the God point of view to work it all together for the benefit of everyone. And all 4 points of view begin with honesty and your willingness to control yourself. Remember, this episode was brought to you by BecomingOurBestDaily.com, where you go to make your life better, faster. It's also where you go to get your big win hats as well as your gear. You can also pick up the Amazon #1 bestseller, #BecomingOurBest. Again, that's BecomingOurBestDaily.com, where you go to make your life better, faster. Now, if you're a first timer, be sure to check out the previous episodes and do me a favor, leave me a review. It helps the show a ton. I have one final request, and that's for you to join us on the journey to becoming our best daily. Until the next time, forget your feelings, face your facts. I'll talk to you later.